So question 3, we've got a bunch of 200 students just choosing one language to study, and they've got the choice of 3 languages. And we're given some facts, and we need to work out how many boys took Spanish. So we need to construct some sort of table. Okay, I'm now going to fill in the blanks of what we know. So we know that the total number of students is 200. We're told that 90 are boys, and this means there are 110 girls. 70 choose Spanish, so it's 70 of the total choose Spanish. We don't know the proportion of boys and girls. 60 of the 104 students who choose French are boys. So the French boys are 60, and we know that 104 students took French instead of Spanish or German. And 18 girls chose German, so we can put 18 in here. This column must add up to 104, so we can put 44 in here. This row adds up to 200, so I can put 26 in here. This row must now add up to 110, and I can put 48 in here. This column must add up to 26, so 8 goes in here. This column adds up to 70, so I can put 22 in here. And we just pick the answer that we need. Work out how many boys chose Spanish. Well, the answer is 22. And that's your answer.